Oh, we're echoing. Hang on. Are we still echoing?
Yeah.
Jeez. Hang on.
We don't know.
We don't know until we're done and find out it's not working. We're making exfoliating coffee scrub soap today. One of my favorites. And I have a list of... Happy Sunday, by the way. I have a list of topics that we can talk about, and I'm trying to figure out why bacon's on there. It's my handwriting. But, why are we talking about bacon?
Because you mentioned something on YouTube you've seen about bacon a few weeks
Did I?
back. I don't
remember what it is now, but there's also secrets. Do you have a secret?
Everybody has secrets.
Yeah, I know. Do you want to share one?
No, that's why it's a secret.
Come on. My secret is that I push food down the kitchen sink when you're not looking. Down the drain.
Do you?
Does everybody do that? Or is it
No,
just
you don't
me?
do that.
Yes, I do.
Why?
Peas and carrots and stuff, I just push them down the kitchen sink drain.
Why?
Well, I don't want to pull them out and put them in the garbage.
Oh,
Push
right,
them
because
down
you
the
don't
drain.
like the old and going in. That's why I get that job.
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you not have any secrets like that? That could also be a life hack. Life hacks is on here.
That's one way to clog your pipes up.
What about a personal fact? Do you have one?
A personal fact?
Yeah, share something. Look how nice and thick that batter is. Ooh. Coffee's going in next. Freshly
A
ground.
personal fact, I once got a commendation off the hospital I worked at when there was a fire and we had to evacuate all the old people from a third floor hospital ward.
What?
Yeah.
I didn't even know about that. That's a good one.
We did.
Congratulations.
Very lucky. That was a long time ago, 1988 that was.
Wow.
So there you go, there's one there. I'd forgot about it for all this time.
Okay, I'll give a personal fact. I had my first child at 16 by myself. He's now 37? Is he? He was born in 84. And no one thought I could do it, but my whole world changed and I did it. And he's a very outstanding young man. Oh, there's a big coffee bean in the batter. His name's Joshua. He just had his first child, and now I'm a grandma.
That's right.
And you're a gooby pa.
Gooby pa.
Yeah. So I'm proud of that fact. Also on this list is how to care less. Any ideas about how to care less? Do you got any pearls of wisdom on that one? There goes the pour.
I think that's actually a false bit of philosophy because everybody cares, right? Now, the only thing I can equate to being couldn't care less is people that are belligerent because we all care, don't we? You can't walk around life and have a care in the world. It's not a normal human function, so...
I'm going to agree with that.
Don't know.
We're putting a nice white topping on this soap, but it's not going to be piped.
And this is another soap I haven't seen made, obviously, because...
Smells delicious. I used freshly ground dark roast coffee beans and a light coffee scent. And it's going to be revitalizing. Look at that. You could practically eat that, but you can't.
Yeah, that's nice and thick.
What else is on the list?
It's got mascarpone.
Oh, I'm sorry. I only read half the thing. It says how to care less about unimportant things. That's a trick question. I have a philosophy. If you're not going to be thinking about it on your deathbed, it's probably not worth putting the energy into it. Would you agree with that?
Yeah, that's more like it, yeah.
Okay, right. So I always ask myself, am I going to be thinking about this on my deathbed? Probably not.
Yeah.
And then I go, bye. We already talked about a bucket list. What's a day in the life? Day in the life. A day in our life, we're lucky if we don't keep waking up at like 5 and 6 a.m. We just can't seem to sleep in. We sit on 2 kitchen stools in the kitchen and have about 5 coffees. I make myself get on the treadmill, even if it's just for 5 minutes, because that wakes me up. And you sometimes have a European football game on.
Yeah.
You do a lot around the house, probably more than I do. Look, gold coffee beans. I should have just left them brown, but
They
it's,
look like
you know,
they look like sugar puffs.
it's Christmas season, and watch how I lose count of these beans, okay? I don't know how I... Look, they're not even lining up with the lines. Anyways, it got fixed in...
Yeah, each day is different, but I mean, at the moment we've got like a list of things to do and I can't get them done
I
because
can't
more and more
either.
stuff keeps cropping up, like heaters breaking in trucks.
Yes, the heater in our truck is not blowing.
Stuff like that, which kind of does your head in.
Yeah.
So until we get that sort, we've had a lot of crap lately, so we're trying to get these lists
I was very sick
chipped down.
for, 5 weeks with a serious stomach issue that
Yeah.
I'm going to get a camera put up my butt for in February.
So that's more or less delayed the lists, you know.
Yeah, I got really behind with narrating and making soaps, but I'm starting to feel better, trying to drive the nutrition back into myself and getting on with things, or trying to. Can't waste any of that gold mica, so I just plopped it on the soap. What do you think?
The answer to the question is that our days can be very busy, or they
They're all
can't,
over the
depending
place.
on what, because they are all over the place, because more and more things keep getting added to the list, and then you've got the weather changing, which hampers things.
Also, my dad is not well right now, so we've been checking on him. Here's the cut. Has, some vanillin in it, so it's going to turn that dark brown color that you see on the sides there.
It looks like ginger cake, that.
It does right now.
Oof.
I don't think I show every piece being cut, because I'm starting to realize people tune out right around here, so just stay put for a second. You'll see the final picture of the soaps after they've changed color in just a second here. And I'm sorry this video is late. It's Sunday. This soap is now available on the website at fruitsofaloon.com.
That's right.
I can't remember if it's a pre-order. No, it's not a pre-order soap. It's ready to go. So here comes the picture of a brace of soaps.
A brace
And
of
one,
soaps.
2, 3. See what color they turned? Lovely.
That looks really rich, doesn't it, in colour?
Lovely. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next weekend. Hopefully we'll be on time.
Take care. Bye, bye, bye.